Okay, in this image, we're going to talk about sharpening a little bit. And what I want to do is, first of all, go over here to my Details tab right here, and Sharpening is this top one right here. So basically, I just want to take my amount up, and as I'm taking my amount up, I'm looking at her eyes here. And I want those nice and sharp. Okay, so they are pretty sharp there with nothing, but as I move up, you can see they become sharper. Okay. Now, the rest of her pores are becoming more sharp, which I don't want, but I'm not going to worry about that because I can deal with that a little bit later. One of the things I can help with that too is by pushing the detail slider down. That way it concentrates on more of the larger areas. Usually the radius you want between 1 and 2. Basically, it's the amount that it's going to look at an edge. So it'll look at a bigger edge. Bigger edge. If you go larger and smaller, it'll keep that to a smaller edge. So usually you want it between 1 and 2, but I usually keep it down near 1 for most images. So here's the big thing. So I got her eyes the way I like them, nice and sharp, but her pores are still standing out. What you want to do is you want to add some masking, but you just don't want to take this slider up. What you want to do is hold the Option key down as you drag that slider, and that will give you a black and white mask view. And as you drag to the right, anything in black is not going to be sharpened at all, and anything in white is going to be sharpened, and grays are going to be sharpened sort of a medium amount. Okay, so I'm going to bring it all the way, almost all the way up, somewhere in there, because I do want those details to really stand out. Okay. So now if you look at her pores here, they aren't standing out as much, but her eyes are nice and sharp. Okay, so usually you want to do this above 200% so you can see the change. Okay. So I'm going to go over here to before and after. So there's the before, there's the after. You can see it just sharpens up a little bit. So most images need a little bit of sharpening. Some need more than others, but this is the way you would do that in Camera Raw.